Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you how I make this smoky rice and beans jollof. So let's get right into the video, guys. So into a clean pot I added my palm oil. I allow it to hot, then I went in with some chopped onions. Then I'm going to let this to fry for a few minutes. So after then I went in with my tomato mix. In here I have tomatoes, red bell pepper, habanero pepper, and onions. So I'm going to add it into my pot, then I'm going to stir this, then I will allow this to fry until it's a little bit dried up. So after a while I checked, and I'm going to stir this, then I'll go in with my seasoning, curry powder, and salt, and I'm going to stir this together. Then I will allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. So next I went in with my minced stock, then I will stir together. Then I'm going to add in my nicely washed rice. And for the rice, I washed it with salt and hot water. So after adding the rice, I will go in with my already cooked beans. So for the beans, I only use the onions to cook the beans. So I'm just going to add the beans, then I will stir. So at this point, our beans and rice smoking jollof is already coming together. So I went in with some blended crayfish. Then after adding the crayfish, I'm going to stir again. Then I will let this to cook. So after some few minutes, I'm just going to stir. Okay, so guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. Please keep on watching, liking, and commenting. So I went in with a little water, then I'm going to cover this and let it cook until it is very soft and tender, just the way I like it. Okay. And guys, our smoky beans and rice jollof is almost ready. So I'm going to stir. Then I went in with some fried mackerel fish. Then I will stir again. So when I'm done stirring, I'm going to cover this with a paper. And you can use foil paper. I don't have foil paper, that's why I'm using this. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook for a few minutes. So at this point, our smoking beans and rice jollof is ready. Guys, look at that. Look how yummy this food is looking, and guys, it was so delicious. And guys, if you are watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and also drop me a comment. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.